and stand there like we're king and queen. Everything that kept us paralyzed was nothing but a bad dream. One day we're gonna wake up and stand there like we're king and queen. Everything that kept us paralyzed was nothing but a bad dream. I don't want you.
Love talaga, parang magic eh. Yung bigla na lang siyang darating na magugulat ka, andyan na. Yung parang you feel so in love na hindi mo ma-explain, na parang walang salita na makapagpaliwanag.
Actually, matagal na kami magkakilala. Nagkakasalubong ng ganun.
You're a falling star. You're the getaway car, you're the line in the sand when I go to...
Matagal na kami nagkakilala bago kami nagkaroon ng relasyon. Una lang nun eh, talagang sabi ko, mahal ko na to eh, parang ganun.
And you play it cold, but it's kinda cute. Oh, when you smile at me, you know exactly what you do. Baby, don't pretend that you don't know it's true, 'cause you can see it when I look at you. And in this crazy life, and through these crazy times, it's you, you make me sing your every line, your every word, your everything.
Thank you sa pag-intindi sa akin, sa walang hanggang pag-intindi sa akin, kahit na meron akong nagagawang mali, kung meron man.
So la 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 la. So la la la.
Kaya mo siguro nasasabing perfecto siya kasi sa kanyang imperfection. Sa kabila nito, may kabutihan kang nakikita.
You know, everything must go. Nothing's gonna last. But then again, that's what's beautiful.
Maalaga. Masikaso. Yan. Yung dalawa na yan. Yun, doon ko na-experience yung naalagaan talaga.
Kung ano meron ka, maging thankful ka na huwag ka na maghangad ng iba. Kasi kung kaya naman, mabibigay naman.
We're tasting the sunshine.
Lagi kong pinagpapasalamat na dumating yung blessing sa akin na tulad niya.
Thank you dahil hindi mo ako iniwan sa lahat ng mga nagawa kong kasalanan. Hindi mo ako iniwan. Mahal na mahal kita. Ito na yung pinakahihintay nating araw. Hindi ko pinapangako na maging perfect na asawa, but I vow na palagi kang papasahin sa mga araw na malungkot ka.
We've